Here are 6 simple strategies you can use to reduce your screen time. 1. Replace the scroll with a ritual. Instead of waking up and scrolling, do 5 minutes of journaling or breathing. Rituals anchor you. They calm the mind, create momentum. 2. Use the 15-minute rule. Whenever you want to check your phone, wait 15 minutes. Often the urge passes. You won't need it. That pause is power. 3. Make your screen your least attractive option. Keep it in grayscale, turn down brightness, remove social apps from your home screen. Make the path to the phone harder than the path to something good. Reading, walking, learning, anything that feeds you instead of drains you. 4. Set hard app limits. Use built-in screen time tools. 10 minutes of TikTok, 15 on Instagram. Timer ends, you stop. No exceptions. Discipline builds freedom. 5. Go no notification. Turn off all non-essential alerts. Every ping steals a moment of peace you'll never get back. 6. Fill the void with purpose. Pick something meaningful. Learning, creating, helping. When you have something real to work toward, empty scrolling feels painful. Every time you pick purpose over scrolling, you're rewiring your brain for focus, peace, and control. If this helped, save it and try just one of these today. That's all it takes to start. Subscribe.